Okay, welcome back, critical thinkers. Like I said in the last class, that we'll continue with algebraic fraction for the rest of the week. So today we have this one to simplify. It says simplify 1 over x squared plus 5x plus 6 plus 1 over x squared plus 3x plus. Let's go. So the first thing is we need to factorize the denominators differently. And then we see if they have common factors so that we pick the highest factor, like we said in the last class. So from the first one, we have 1 over. Now, for the factorization of the denominator, we look for two numbers which, when we multiply, will give us 6, and when we add, give us 5. And the two numbers are what? 3 and 2. So we have x squared plus 2x plus 3x plus 6. And for the final plus the second one is 1 over. Now the same thing. This one we look for two numbers, which one we multiply give us 2, and when we add give us 3. And those two numbers are 2 and 1. So we have x squared plus x plus 2x plus 2. Now let's continue. And this will be 1 over, we bring out x, and inside we have x plus 2. And then for this one, we bring out 3. So inside we have plus 3 actually. Plus 3, inside we have x plus 2. And then plus, coming to this one, we have 1 over, we bring out x, and inside we have x plus 1. And this one we bring out plus 2. So inside we have x plus 1. Right? So this is still 1 over, of course, these two are common. So we have 1 over x plus 3 into x plus 2 for the first one. Then plus, this is 1 over x plus 2 into x plus 1. Now, if we look at the denominators, we notice that we have a common factor in this one and in this one. And that means we pick one. It could be from here or from here, and then we pick the other factors. So what do I do? For the LCM of these two, we have x, so bring it down small, x plus 3 will be here, and then we take x plus 2, out of the 2 we take 1, and then the last one is x plus 1. So this is the LCM of that, these two denominators. Now for the first one, if this divides this, we have x minus x plus 1, and x plus 1 times 1, we have x plus 1. And then plus, if this divides this, we have x plus 3. And x plus 3 times 1 is still x plus 3. And then of course, when we open the bracket, it's still x plus 1. Sorry, it's still x plus 1 plus x plus 3 all over the whole of this x plus 3 into x plus 2 and then into x plus 1. Right? Now we collect like terms. On the numerator we have 2x plus 4, x plus x is 2x, 1 plus 3 is 4. All over the whole of this x plus 3, x plus 2, and x plus 1, right? And now here, if you look at the numerator, we can factorize 2 out. And when we factorize 2, we have 2 outside. Inside we have x plus 1, is it not? Sorry, x plus 2, not x plus 1. And then under, we still have the whole of this x plus 3 into x plus 2 into x plus 1, right? And then from here, what do you notice? which is that x plus 2 will cancel x plus 2 here. So when this one cancels this one, when this one cancels this one, we have 2 as a numerator, and we have x plus 3 and x plus 1. And this is the final answer. Remember, this x plus 2 cancels out x plus 2, and we have this. So thank you for watching again. I'm trying to do the needful. God bless you always. So in our next class, we still continue with another one, and then from there we move to partial fraction. Partial fraction. That one is sweet. God bless you.